Hi everyone, welcome to the 404 Society. Am I audible? Audio, video, everyone, please comment on the chat section. Audio, video, everything is clear or not? Hi everyone, welcome. Shubh, Mohit, Bhuvan, am I audible? Everything audio, video is clear or not? Please comment on the chat section about that things. A warm welcome from the 404 Society, and thank you, Bhuvan, to be taking a part of the society. Okay, we're going to tell you why we have initiated the 404 Society. Okay, and there is so many things that I have to tell you. So I will invite all of my friends here. I'm going you to share my Google Meet screen for that things. Welcome. It's now your stage. Bhuvan, please introduce all about the things why you have started the 404 Society and one more step towards this that we have created a YouTube channel for this. Already we have LinkedIn, Instagram and other things na, all of my friends have to know. And we have initiated the first video of the YouTube channel. Now you introduce all of my friends what is this and what is the future of that program. First check, first check audio video is clear. Please make sure that.
Just guys, just check this out. Is my audio audible? Am I audible right now? Any disturbances from my side? Is it there? Okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah, Bhuvan,
Oh,
you can now continue. Everything is clear.
okay. So, welcome, guys. So, this is our first live stream on this channel, and hope so it keeps on continuing. And so many people are here, and so many people are here who knows about the 404 society, and so many people who are of my friends. Okay, they don't know about it. So let me introduce what is 404 Society and all. So it's we are empowering the students here. Okay, before telling something in technical aspects, let's listen to some story, right? So that would be very much like engaging. So as you know, the college lifestyle, these 4 years, how it would be. So everywhere people will be thinking of. Okay. Aditya, just could you please mute your mic? I think hearing much. Okay. So the thing is, in the college life, we had this phase, okay, where we wanted to do something, but in this college phase, it will be like everyone are uh, into the things like, okay, we have to follow the rat race. What everyone is doing, we have to do that. Only projects, assignment, like that. But it's not like that for me because when I was in my second year, when I tried to do something, when I wanted to do something, and I literally had no guidance. See, teachers wouldn't give us the guidance because they are here to teach, and they're not here to give their career guidance. They're only to just teach. They have their work to do. They'll just move on. But when I was in my second year, I didn't have this proper guidance. No proper seniors who could help me out. The thing is, seniors itself weren't doing anything. That was a major problem which was there. And then it was like I started building my own skills. So I'm very much into the design part because I love creativity. So I started into my career into the design thing, and I'm doing very good in that. And whenever I thought, okay, I'm doing good, but what about our juniors? Okay, who is going to guide them? I had this problem, but who's going to solve it for them? They're also going to specifically, they are going to face a problem which I had faced. So when I approached to my juniors, so they also had many problems. Like they wanted to start, but they didn't know. But a huge special mention to one of my juniors, who is Raghavendra. So this guy, literally, because of him, I think we took this initiative to start it early and push it on. So this guy used to come to me every week. He's like, I want to learn cybersecurity. I want to learn this. I want to learn that. What I have to do, where I have to start. So it's like, it was literally when I used to think about him, it was like, okay, I was seeing myself when I was in that second year's place. So it was such a great thing. But so when I and my co-founder Rishikesh had a talk, so I'll tell you guys, this was a random talk which happened in the corridor. Okay, corridor. So corridor, we had a talk. We are planning like, okay, we want to do something like this. We want to build this for our juniors. We want to get it done. So you don't believe it, I think. We planned it on Thursday most probably. We got not Thursday, Friday. We had a set of team members along by Sunday. Monday, we proposed the idea to our dear HOD, and then the next week we had our inauguration of this community. That is the 404 Society, which you are seeing. So it's not basic like any other tech community which you are seeing right now. So most of the colleges you have seen the tech community where people are just going for certificates and nothing like experience and all. And whenever, if you are in the college, you might have heard about the three things: front end, back end, full stack. Only these three things are heard, and rest other fields aren't heard by you. It's not like, okay, someone is gonna come and teach you, but the people are in the race of, okay, there is only front end, there is only back end, there is only full stack, because college has forced down us to go into that lane. So we only think about that. And apart from that, we are not going to think anything. So right now, when we started this community, we just had three juniors who just came to us who wanted to learn something. And yeah, three number is just small for you guys. But for us, it was a great start because three is also a number. And we started experimenting on those three. So we first week we had only three people. Then we went on to 4, 6, 10, 20. Now we have around 30 plus students who are learning from with us, who are building projects with us, and who is also gaining real-time experience. And they're also standing out from the rest of the people. So I heard many of my juniors also, they had told us because they had this like they didn't know where to start, and when we had given the platform where they can learn, they can start. So it was like they completely utilized that opportunity to study. So I'm literally grateful because I got those juniors. They're literally very hardworking, they're motivated and all. And when I forget something, they just come to me, they're like, we want to do this thing. So we were at this point, are we missing this, something like that. So this was the juniors which I have got, and right now we are running this community very successfully, and we have with us our teammates. So I am the founder of this 404 Society, who is leading all these things, and with me I have my co-founder, who is Rishikesh, who is couldn't join this meeting right now, but I know all his efforts are is just come to a stage where we are starting, and we know we will go many steps further. And
And Bhuvan, I
also,
want to interrupt you for a second.
yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Actually, the viewer, please listen. This is not a society for a just like department wise or a society or college wise. You can share it in any group wherever a student want to learn. Just like I have shared in my CSE group. Anyone, please share it in your an official group. If some student want to join and get benefited, it's also beneficial for us to share all the things. And who knows, he will also contribute some of the things to us. So please, you can share it and comment some of the student is audio video everything audible or not, and how is your founder Bhuvan, please write them in the chat. Okay, and you can share it on official group. Definitely you can share it, just like there is so many official group for our college. You can share it just like I have shared some of the friends, they're just joining us. Okay, now you can continue, Bhuvan.
Yeah, yeah, sure. So why 404 Society? So why people should join this community? Why is it different than any other tech community? So it's like, okay, rest of the people, just tell me one thing. When I was in my colleges, okay, I'll just tell you about this August time, August or July time. Okay, I had seen LinkedIn as a certification posting platform. It was not my fault. It was like, okay, my surrounding was like that, because the people who I follow on the LinkedIn were my classmates, my seniors. They were posting only certificates. I don't know, like, okay, I also had certificates, which were 11 certificates, which were of no use. I just skipped the video, I did it, got the 11 certificates. And whenever it comes to LinkedIn, okay, whenever I open, I saw a post certificate. Uh, Grateful for having this certificate. I completed this course, I completed that X course, something. So certificates right now doesn't have a lot of value. The value which is we are having is for only for projects. Okay, when you have projects which you have done, that is the only thing which is gonna have all this all the, okay, in future if you are applying for a job, the projects is gonna get you the jobs, because only certificates doesn't. It was the era of 2021, 2022, where only certificates used to get you the jobs. But right now, your projects, your portfolio matters. That is the main thing. So for our juniors, we started like, okay, we want to get them build their portfolios. But before that, we want to push them into learning one skill. Okay. So when it comes to learning one skill, uh, I love design. So I choose graphic designing as my career. And some people love machine learning. They want to go into that field. Someone loves to learn Java. Like, so in 404 society, it's open for you all. The thing is, you can learn anything you want. The support you need, that is given by us. Okay. We have a set of our core members, who are 15 of them. They are at least knowledgeable in some ways. Okay. They have done something in their domain. Okay. For example, graphic designing, I have done something. I have one of my friend Rishikesh, who is a co-founder. He's doing something in the cybersecurity part. So he's very much knowledgeable. So it's not like we are perfect at it, but we are good. So the thing is, whatever knowledge we have, we are going to share it to you. Okay. The things we have did, the way mistakes we have did in that phase, that you shouldn't repeat. That is what we wanted from the juniors. And most luckily, when we started the society, the P juniors had very like various domains which they wanted to do. Then we supported in all this. So we had domains like Android app development, cyber security, graphic designing, UI UX designing, machine learning, data analytics, so many things. So the juniors knew what they wanted, but they didn't know where they have to start. So this society gave them the platform. Then afterwards, students started joining. They started to work, and I'll just tell you how it is different, how we are going to work here, so that you'll have an idea. So usually, whenever a junior or any person who joins into the 404 society for learning thing, so we usually provide them specific domains which we have, which we can teach. So we will provide them the list of the domains. So they will just go through it. If they want to pursue in that any one of the domain, we will definitely give a foundation roadmap. So the foundation roadmap is of for 15 days. So where juniors is gonna go with the complete foundation from the scratch in the 14 days. Okay. So that the person should know at least the basics whenever he wants to learn about that domain. So instead of just asking him to work on the projects, we are asking them to just build your foundation first, then we are going to work on the projects. That was the thing. So as soon as the foundation got completed, during the foundation also, we had a very vigorous learning. So it was like we had a very good communication between our juniors. They used to come, they used to ask doubts, everything used to get solved, and we used to take some sessions also. The thing is, AI is very much, yeah, yeah, yes, yes, yeah, sure, yes, 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 yes. I'll just come to that part. Okay, so I'll just complete this. I'll just come to the 404 studios afterwards. Okay, the thing is, Juniors after this foundation roadmap, they are going to go with the 2 months roadmap for building their projects and portfolios. So here they are going to work with seniors, and also they are going to work with the people from outside. So we are going to take the people from outside, they're going to work with the projects, they're going to get it done. So likewise, they're building their portfolios, they're working on the projects, gaining the real-time experience at the early stage, so that by the end of the fifth sem, they would have a very good knowledge and they could land their own jobs off campus and don't want to wait in the for the campus placements and all. That was our main motive. And 404 Studios, when it comes to this thing, so 404 Studios is a creative wing of the 404 Society, so which we had launched recently, not launched completely, but okay, we had opened the hiring page.
Yeah. Just like we
Where
can
we-
see, this is the first step towards our YouTube community. We have also launched YouTube community. There is so many things that I have to tell about you. And if you don't know about we have also 404 Studio where you can collaborate with us, not just for learning. You can, if you have some knowledge, then you can share with us. So our colleagues, friends, everyone can learn from that things. I will show you after introduction of all the participants where whoever is there. And if you have some problems and if you want something more excited to be done here, please comment. We will definitely do on that. Continue, Bhuvan, now.
Okay. So the 404 Studios. Okay. So being a graphic designer, I usually do freelancing. So I earn major of my money from freelancing. So whenever I thought, okay, we are starting this community, I'm doing freelancing, and what I can connect this, how I can connect this and bring something different. So I had this idea of building an agency. But agency would be typically like, okay, we are having a set of people who are gonna work on the projects, who are gonna get it done, who are gonna get paid. That's it. That is the work of an agency. But what is 404 Studios is? Here we are gonna collaborate with the people across India. So everyone are interested in one or the other domain. Yeah. So right now, recently we closed an interview with Kangana Rawat. Okay, not Kangana Ranaut. Okay, it's Kangana Rawat. Okay, so we had an interview with her. It's like a friendly interview. So she was very good at design. She had a great experience. So what we are doing here we are gonna get you the sharp minds across India, across various domains. So we have 13 active open roles in this. You can apply for that. And all the people who have applied to that, we are going to have a small talk session where we are going to discuss how it is going to work. Then in the 404 studios, these people are going to join with our juniors and work on the real-time projects. So here, they are also going to earn side by side, they are going to make money, they are going to work on the projects, they are going to build their portfolio. That is the thing. So juniors are going to learn something and they are going to apply it. That is the main intention. And 404 studios is also going to help so many freelancers who want to get their work done or who is looking for freelance projects, because we as a 404 society, we are getting so many projects within the college, off campus also, so many projects which we want to get it done, but we don't have the set of professionals who can get it done, like completely talented people. So we are, so that's why we created this 404 studios where creators, developers come and collaborate with our juniors. They're going to take them to that project, they're going to work with them, and they're going to build their projects. That's the thing of the 404 studios. So if anyone has any doubt and all, you can just uh, mail to our our society's email, which will be given in the description. So if you have any doubts regarding that, it would be very great.
And
I would
after the
answer
session, I
everyone.
will share all the links and everything. Don't worry. I will pin the link in the comment section. Please go and join the everything. And if you want to call us, it's open to all of you. And if we will conduct regular session, okay, you can also be a part of our session. If someone want, please go and join our Google Meet link. I will share with you, or you can see here. It's a link I will share with you. You can also join and share your opinion on that. Okay, I will share it on the link. See, I have pinned the link. For that, you can also join our Google Meet if you want to share some of the thoughts. Okay. And we will do some of the crazy things here, just like see what I have seen. Some of my friends who are in the working professional, not I'm telling about he's in the college or any other way, but even though he's not knowing how to work with GitHub, okay, just like I'm still I am doing with some of the projects, but I don't know AWS, cloud computing, what is the major things, you know, na, how AI is replacing some of the repeated jobs, just like doing front end everything. So we have to enhance our skill in the some of the major fields. What I have seen making, just like you also know everyone how AI is replacing front end engineers. So we have to move on some of the cloud, DevOps, cybersecurity. Those fields are very easy to, and there is so many scopes you can also join there. Okay, but the main problem happens here. What is the roadmap, proper roadmap for achieving that goals and that roles? We will discuss that things here. What think you Bhuvan, about that things? How we will implement this? Please introduce the roadmap, how we can do sessions and everything for our colleagues.
Yeah, sure, sure. So, okay, so here we are having a very good connections. So whenever people want to have any good sessions, okay, on anything, for example, they wanted something related to domain related, so they can just DM us or they can mail to our email. Then we will look into it, and if it is very much needed, we will definitely conduct that sessions. And moreover, we are planning of many events further where we are gonna go and collaborate with intra colleges, okay, colleges across Bangalore. So we are going to conduct events where people across Bangalore can join and they can participate in the events. So
And one more
it
thing I
would be,
want to add, what I have seen, some of the student telling, yeah, it's a normal college. Why do we have to do something for this college? Especially some of the questions that I have heard. See, it's not matter how your college is. You are the student. You have to make the college pride to our nation. Okay, what is the level of your college does not matter. But if you are in the college, you have to respect your college and you have to do something for the college. See, if we are discussing something, it's not about what will happen or not. The first thing, see, I am not able to communicate confidently in English, but I try. This is the first thing. And after 3 to 4 months, you can see I'm able to speak in English fluently. This will make my communication skills good. This is the one factor. Second factor, if 10 persons with 10 minds will communicate everything, it might be some of the fact that I have not known. I have to learn that things from you, because if 10 minds of educated people will collab here, we will see there is some of the knowledge that will not even we think, but a student are doing on. One student from my class, I have never seen how he's something he has done crazy. Then I ask, I think he's a bad boy, but just like always talking in the class and not coming properly, his attendance is also low, but he knows something that didn't even think he can do. Then I go to him and ask, bro, how you have did that? There is so many things that we can learn from everyone. Okay, so please beat everyone live. And I think we will do one session regularly in a week. If you tell it will be Saturday better or Sunday, we will plan accordingly. And the content, whatever you want, please comment. We are making our LinkedIn page is already there, and later we will make our Discord and Telegram there where you can put your thoughts, bro. Just what will be the next session? You can answer poll
yeah,
or answer. It should be LinkedIn, GitHub, because so many students does not know how to make portfolio, how to make LinkedIn, how to use GitHub, everything. But this is the basic thing that in 2025, the era of AI, you must have. Otherwise, you simply say, bro, there is no jobs in the market. This is the not fact. If you have a skills, you will definitely get some of the jobs. Okay, and if you enhance your skill day by day, it will means not 10, 12, 13 LPA. That's a you will can crack 30, 40 LPA also. There is so many jobs that are pending, but the skills required is not in anyone. You can see now, go and search the roles for DevOps engineer, cloud computing, blockchain, IoT. These all are fields are open for everyone. So please try to be a part of the community and do nothing. Just like we are conducting a session today. After 7 days, we have a session. Just see what is your problem, why you are lacking, what is the things. Just in my case, what I am feeling, I am honestly telling you, I am a little confused between what to choose. backend. Either I can go with backend with Node.js, and it might be some of the student tell me, yeah, it's better to go backend with Java. It's my personal doubt. How I get cleared? I am talking with some of my seniors, and here is the platform where you can collab, give some region. We have some of the best minds with Node.js, backend, Java, Spring Boot, everything. We can discuss, get a conclusion, and on basis of that, you can proceed further. What do you think, Bhuvan? What are the things?
Yes, yes,
Plus.
yes. Actually, I want to add one more point. So many people I have heard they are like, okay, college is a tier three college, college is a tier two
Yeah, yeah,
college.
yeah.
So only companies come for the placement when it is a tier one college. So we have heard like this. It's not like uh, it's gonna be the same. So when I was in my 12th standard, so I used to get the people say this to me. Okay, they were like, okay, you have to join a tier one college, top colleges. So in Karnataka, it's a top college means okay, you're gonna join RV, you're gonna join BMS, you're gonna join Ramaya. The thing is, after soon after that, when I joined our college, okay, you can say this is a tier two college, but what is this thing which other people didn't do? Well, what other people did and what didn't I do was, see, starting 1 year I wasted. That is the first thing, because I stayed in my hostel room, and just usually we used to have fun gaming, lot of gaming sessions and all, and we used to blame college. Okay, hey, this is just a waste college. Yeah, there is no events, there is no functions. That like we used to blame. Okay, but whenever it comes to this part, you're from a tier 2 college and or a tier 3 college, you have a very good opportunity for yourself. So the opportunity is that you're gonna shine among so many people. See, right now in our college, the situation was like this. So we had our new department. So we were the first batch for that department, where I was very much lucky because I got an opportunity to shine there. So usually, so many people they miss it out because people, whenever you get the opportunity, try to utilize the maximum. And whenever people tell, okay, call companies only come for tier one colleges, not tier three or tier two, that is just a bullshit. Because companies do come, but the thing is, you're not gonna get hired because you're lacking the skills.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
the main
why,
point we have to
yes,
focus on. As skills is lacking, not companies coming. One thing if we talk about AI is replacing repetitive jobs, but they are creating so many new jobs. And the skill that AI wants, just like there is so many company, they're asking for data analyst, AI specialist. The skills we are lacking in that. That the things we have to focus on.
yes, yes. Of course, the thing is, people, whenever you get the opportunity to shine, just try to utilize it and try to make the maximum out of it. Because if in second year also, if I used to be like, okay, I'll just shut my mouth whenever there is opportunity, and it would be like that. I wouldn't have gone to create a big community like this. I would have sat somewhere. Okay. The thing is, whenever you get an opportunity, please try to speak it out. Just try to grab the opportunity and just do the work. Don't think about what other people are talking. So, whenever I started posting on LinkedIn, okay, I used to get comments like, okay, what are you posting? This is just a waste of time and all. But whenever I started posting what and all, some slight light success is also a great thing for me. Small success is also a great thing for me. So I'm just pushing it out. Okay. So then started people started noticing me. Okay. That is where right now in our college, I'm good. Okay. I'm noticed by so many people. And I don't want it to be only for my college. I want it to go more. That's why we have brought this 404 society. I am building this 404 society where I can help people across. Not only our juniors, not only our students. We have to work with people across all these various regions. So we can help them out. We can collaborate with them. We can get the projects done. We can build a community where people are supportive to each other, where people can talk with each other, have a good knowledge, share the knowledge. That is the main thing where 404 society stands. The main motto of this is a collaboration. That is where this 404 society root stands. Because without collaboration, there is nothing. That is the main thing. I hope everyone have understood what is 404 society.
And one major doubt, one of the student asking what is unique in our society. Let me clear some of the things. The first
Yes.
thing, it is not only for the student, it is of the student. Everyone in our community is creator in itself. If you have anything, it's not about being expert in something. If you have anything, you can share it, build it, and we can introduce everything. The first and unique quality of the things. It's not like I am creator, I am only speaking. You can also join with us. There is Google Meet, you can see on the screen. This is only for student where you and me both are able to speak and communicate. It's a two-way communication, not a single way. Okay, it's everyone is just creator in itself. They anything, just like I don't know where I am expert or not, but I have started. See, my friend Bhuvan has started something, then we have to support. I don't know where Bhuvan is expert or not, but he has started something. There is some potential, we have to support it. Okay, the thing main point that I want to highlight, everyone is able to speak, share, collaborate. Okay, it's not a restriction that I am the creator only, I am able to speak, you are only have to hear. It's not in our society. The
Hmm.
important and unique feature of our society. You can
And
now
one
explain,
more
Bhuvan.
thing, okay? The thing is, what is uniqueness? As I told earlier itself, if you are in the stream, you would have definitely understood. Because it's not like, okay, we are providing you some certificates, you're getting these things done, you're going. So usually you see the tech clubs in your college, most probably. In our college also there are clubs. Okay, we go, we participate in one event, we get the certificates, we come. That's it. Instead of that, there is no learning. Okay,
And I
so right
want to
now,
correct one thing. This is not a club. It's a brand. What we are
yes.
making to build. It's not a club. Please don't think it's a simple club. We are making a brand. People are going to collaborate with our members. All of you are a creator of our, not a club. What we have to call? It's a brand. All of you are a member of this brand.
So whenever you have some idea, just come speak with us. When see right now, so many people are introverts. They they definitely don't speak it out. Okay, here we are giving the opportunity. Okay, you just come out, speak it out. Don't think about okay what others will think and all. Just come, speak it out. If you have any problem, wherever you stand, we'll help you out because we were also in that phase where we couldn't have any guidance, but here we are providing you the guidance. You just come speak whatever you want, and we will guide you, and it will take you further. That is the thing. And
And
any questions, anyone?
there is a, just like we can make a session interactive. Just I have given a poll in the chat section. Please respond to that poll, and you can ask anything. What do you think? There
Okay,
is the, we can make it more interactive by this thing, and you can also post your question in the chat where we will ask with the all of our friends what to do or what to do. And this is our first session. It might be there is lack of communication, video quality, audio quality, and I can miss some of the chats, everything. Please sorry for that. From our side, we will improving day by day. And you can ask anything, open to all of you.
okay. Using AI is good or not?
Just
So
like we
many
can
people
make,
are.
what your opinion on this thing? You want anyone, please, you can give your opinion, yes, no. What do you think?
So,
And
so
please, you
guys,
can
what do
ask
you think?
anything. You can, chat section is open for all of you. You can ask any doubt. And now I will show you what is our 404 society, 404 studio, everything. You can apply for any collaboration here. Okay. And please comment, just like what is our communication skill, everything. We also want to improve. What is our idea? Comment and you can ask anything. Yeah,
Okay,
continue, Bhum.
so okay, I think the question is using AI is good or not. So, what is the maximum number of votes for yes or no?
I can see yes is for 100%. Please go and comment. Check your 404 society poll. Only one student has 9 votes for 100%.
Okay, using AI is good.
I can see
Okay.
there is 14 members, but only 9 members has voted. Where is 5 members? Please go and poll that.
Yes, yes, yes. AI.
Now it's 10 vote with 100%. Yeah. Actually, my personal opinion on that thing is yes. But you have to use it in a better way. We'll also discuss in upcoming future sessions for how we can use AI. Literally, I'm saying I have built some of the amazing, crazy things using AI only. I don't have to watch videos and give subscription to for basic things. Okay, you have to use AI, and we will make sure that I how I am using AI, how to take a subscription for free. Okay, there is so many things that we will discuss in upcoming futures, and you can also share some of the things if you know. We will make a community. You can post their Discord server, everything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, some
We
of the
have one
comments just like
comment.
Shubhra is saying, "Now it's using stupid." Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's right. We will discuss everything. It's our
So,
first
okay.
session, so it might be something
There
confusing.
is a question. Okay. Kindly conduct one session on time management.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
We will discuss.
We would
And
definitely conduct that.
I think we will conduct every week a live session, and in every 2 week we will post a video, dedicated video. It and you may ask why it will take 15 days to post a video, because the quality of the video we can judge only by viewing that. We are making a dedicated video of any topics, subtopics. We will work on that things. Okay. And some of the doubts Rudresh is asking, sometimes it's good and sometimes it's bad. What your opinion, Bhuvan, on that things? Please answer,
Yeah.
Rudresh.
The thing is, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. It We cannot be judgmental. Okay. The thing is, if we are using it for bad, it is bad.
Yeah, yeah. Just like you can
When
say,
we are using it good for good, it is good.
if there
That
is
is
a
the thing.
weapon, if it is in the hand of soldier, it's the best, and it is in the hand of terrorist, it's the bad. The next question
Yes.
is, kindly conduct one session on time management. Sure, bro. Sure, we will conduct. Subra Gaming Unite.
So,
You can ask any question.
whenever,
Please drop a question on the comment section.
yes, guys. So whenever it comes to AI, so many people have doubts. Okay, AI is gonna take jobs. So AI is acquiring the market field. Okay, we might have no jobs in the future. No, AI is creating a marketplace. Okay, where you can have more jobs. That is the thing. And the person who can use the AI betterly is gonna replace you. That is a
Yeah,
complete
yeah,
point.
yeah. AI will not replace you. The person using AI replace you.
It's gonna
Definitely replace
replace you.
you. You have to use AI in your the work. See, one thing one of my teacher had told when I asked the same question from him. Before 50 years, you can ask where computer is just started. There is so many hype. Computer will kill everything. He will do everything. Now human will replaced by computer. All jobs are replaced by computer. But see what happened. It's right, job are replaced by computer, but the innovation increase, the level of work increase. Now we have to focus on the quality things, not on the repetitive things. So the same thing, AI will replace repetitive things. Just we have to make a UI, it will be replaced. But the core logics, what you are building, what are the logics, what are the pathway gateway, everything will have to think from your mind. That the things we have to introduce means AI is just a path of evolution. How we can think, it's change the way ordinary things are going on. Okay, and
Yes.
some communication might be just some of the grammar mistakes maybe in my communication. Please sorry for that. Just like Subrai is saying, bro said upcoming future. It is my first session. It might be okay. We will improve day by day.
Okay. And one more thing, guys. When you people tell AI is replacing jobs, so you know about Nano Banana. So we are being a designer when Nano Banana was introduced. So many people told, okay, your graphic designing career is gonna be on stake. So because people are like, okay, they are gonna just tell you, okay, Nano Banana has come. It is like it's gonna give a टक्कर जैसे ना in Hindi,
Yeah,
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 it's going to
yeah.
टक्कर to Photoshop.
Yeah,
So
directly.
whenever,
In fact, we are creating our thumbnail everything in was just 5 minutes by giving a prompt.
yes, yes,
In
yes.
fact, Bhuvan is
The
a
thing
beauty.
is,
Bhuvan is expert in that, but we are doing also that things.
the thing is, you have to use AI better. That is the thing. See, being a designer, I use AI as my collaborator. The thing is, I collaborate with it and work. I don't see it as my enemy. So not only in 404 society, there is a collaboration. We are collaborating with AI also. So we are going to collaborate with our AI. We are going to get our things done. So whenever usually earlier graphic designing, it used to take around for creating one poster. we have to scratch ideas, we have to get some ideas for that, then we have to do it.
And
So it was,
yeah,
yeah, it
continue
was creating
after
some.
complete first, then we will
Yes,
discuss.
yes. It used to create some, like, okay, it used to take around 2 hours just for thinking about that. So being a overthinker, I couldn't think about a design. That was my problem. So whenever AI was there, I used to just put my idea out, how I wanted it to be, and how I can design it. And all. Then I used to use AI as a collaborator, where almost 50% or 60% of my work used to get reduced, and the rest 40% is in my hands, which I have to put it, and I have to get that done. So AI is actually good if you use it as a collaborator. So for right now, so many people, okay, in our college itself, so many people didn't know the launch of Nano Banana. They don't know about Google AI Studio. They don't know about Google Anti Gravity.
Yeah,
They are
the
just
I
using
want to
their
add one thing, just like there is some of the platform, Cursor, Replit, and there's so many. They want premium charges for you, but there are some platforms that I am using. My friend won't told you about AI Studio. It's free. It's using Gemini 3.5 Pro for everything, and it's free. And this platform, I think 90% of a student does not know. Okay, you have just go and try. Google AI Studio, then come on the next session, then you will discuss what the platform is. And the same thing, you can take a student ID and get a subscription of $10 per month for GitHub Copilot. I will in the coming future we will make a video on that things. Continue.
Yeah, actually, that is the thing. So try to use AI. So the thing is, AI is growing very rapidly, and people just try to use AI to make your life easier. So if I also want to post something on LinkedIn, I just automate it. So using some automations. So that is the thing. So you're trying AI is like, okay, you're trying to make that your work easy. Right now, Perplexity Comet launched, and none of our college mates had the knowledge of that until and unless I told them. Then we started just downloading all the Comet browsers on all the other laptops. Then it came to mobile phones, and right now people are using it. So Comet browser is literally a great start for Perplexity, and I literally loved it. So there are so many AI tools which you can use in your day-to-day life to make your life easier. So we are gonna get that sessions also in the future, so that you can also learn with us and you can learn more about AI. That is the thing. And any other questions, guys?
You can ask any questions, and the member who are on the Google Meet, if they want to speak something, please open their mic. I will hand over everything to them. Anyone, please, if they want to speak. And one more thing, language should not be barrier. Okay, if you are comfortable in your native language, it's okay. Hindi, English, Kannada, everything is fine. The main thing of our community is to share knowledge, collaborate, everything. Or if someone want to, please, or you can ask anything from the chat. Otherwise, I will show you that our 404 society website. Here it is. See, this is 404 studio where we can see what we are going to do, what we are doing, what are the next event, everything. You can collab everything there. Okay. One, please, will you elaborate it?
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure. Okay,
Sure.
so guys, the page which you are seeing right now is the 404 Studios hiring page. So here we are gonna hire for the people across India. So we are gonna collaborate with the people. I just don't want to say hire. We're gonna collaborate with the people across India. So there are so many roles here. So Aditya, if you could go to the roles, it would be good.
Wait. I
Roles,
will make sure.
just a second. Okay,
See,
so there are 13 roles across various domains such as design, then you have media, then you have business strategy, like that. So you can apply to any of those roles which you want, which you think you are good at, and which you think you want to learn also. That is also great. And we are open for learners, because if you want to learn, we are gonna definitely go through your applications and all. Before, whenever you're applying, think that there is a basic assessment of 3 questions, which is there for every domain. So you just need to answer that, and you have to submit your GitHub profile or any portfolio profile if you have link in that. So we'll get to know more about your projects which you have done. Or if you haven't done anything, that's also completely fine. Share your GitHub link. If you have zero repos, that is also completely fine. We'll just need to see how much you have, like, okay, you have learned or something.
And
Then,
also apart from that, if you want to tell the yeah, we have problem in this topic, please conduct a session on that things. We will able to do everything. Okay. And if you want some of the teachers, HOD, faculty, we will also conduct session with them on the education, how to do, what am I right or not, everything. So please put a comment on the what should be the next topic. Okay. What should be the next topic? Because see, 2025 is going off. Okay, the next is 2026, and we want to start a good start for our future everything. So please put a comment what will be the next session and what are the things that you want. Now you can see more about 404 studio. Please, when you continue.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, so here you have the rules. Just you, whenever you click on that apply for position, you'll have the basic okay, tech stack or something related to that. Okay, what is required for that? So you will have to know more about.
One of
Okay,
my friend
good
Pulkit
process.
Raj want to tell something. I
Yes,
will.
sure.
Yes,
Hi
Pulkit, you can speak.
everyone. Hi everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, you
Yes,
are
yes,
audible.
you're audible.
So, I wanted to know what are main theme of this organization and what we are going to do in this, and
Yes, yes,
what can be my role in this overall organization, and how I can contribute mainly in this.
yes, 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 yes. Okay. See, the thing is, before in the stream itself, we are told what is 404 society, how it's gonna be there, and how it's gonna be working. So, if you are gonna join us as a collaborator, so usually you're just gonna have all the resources, and we'll have a separate guide for yourself. So, we are gonna guide you on whatever thing you wanna do. So, whenever you have a domain you wanted to work in, just try to communicate with us, whatever domain, we'll try to help you out in that. Then also we'll connect you with the best people, best minds across India, so that you can work with them together on the projects. So you'll get the real world experience too, side by side.
And I want
So
to add
this is
one
main.
more thing in that. Pulkit, listen, this is a platform of the people. Okay, just like if you have some idea, it don't think we have to make and propose some idea. If you are working on idea, already working, you can also show to us, all of our members. See, this is my project. I am working on this, and if there is member who is interested in it or some specialization, because if we have 100 members, then there is 100 types of things that a student are doing. If you are working on a project, you can show to us, we can also contribute in that things. Apart from the connections we are building, we are also going to work on your project, because you are doing also unique thing. Every student in itself is a unique thing. You are making a project. If you are just like in my case, I am alone making a project, no one is help you, and thanks to Bhuvan who meet me and tell me to please join for not for society, and I find it's useful. Just like I'm making a project, you are also making a project, we can collab just for only for. And what the main feature of this, some of the student feel, in myself I also feel, some of my teacher told us, please join this company. I fear, how can I join this company? This is a very large company running a multinational company. Here me and you same age, same bro, there's no problem for us. We can share our small problem, bro, just like आपने ये कैसे बनाया, मैंने ये कैसे बनाया, we can share our thoughts easily. This is the unique feature you can share with us, and you continue everything. And we have for not for society, you can see here we can find everything. And if you have some more idea, we can add your idea in this platform. This is not only for me, it is yours. If you have some idea, we can add. If you are working on some project, we can add your project. Some other person who are interested in your project, they can contribute. We are making a good community.
Yes, yes. And someone in the chat section, Rudresh, they
Pulkit,
have posted, I have a
is
question.
your doubt clear or something another you can ask?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I inferred as from you that this one is a collaborative platform where everyone can join, and from idea to implementation, they can help each other.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
Is
yes.
it
one
right?
more feature that our college has some of the institute level, just like we have Anveshna. If you are working good in our project are good, it does not mean your project, our project, you, me, everything. Then we can produce that project to our teacher. There is institute in our college and Vesna who are funding for the student. If your project is good, they are funding. We will produce that project to our teacher, and let's see what will happen in the further.
Yes, yes. The thing
Pulkit, you
is, we
can.
have
Uh,
a incubator in our college, so it's a startup incubator. So
uh,
if anyone, your idea has the potential to become a startup and you wanted to work on it, they would definitely work together and we would definitely take that into a grateful platform.
and any
So when we
student
have,
and any
yes,
student from other college, if they have similar type of community, we can also join with them. Okay, you can also share this platform to us. If they you have college have some of the collaborators, we can go in and can grow together.
yes, yes, yes. That is the main part.
Any doubtful?
No, bro.
Yeah, you
I
can ask
think it's
simply, or
clear.
if you have some project you can produce. Any doubt, please ask, or you can join our Google Meet, or you can ask in the chat section. Anyone, please? Rudresh have a question. Please, Rudresh, write your question in the chat section. We are eager to answer your question. And Fulkit, it's not a just like you ask, and you can also share your thoughts there. What you think? If you have something, whatever you are doing, you can share with our student. It might be beneficial for 2 3 students, and it will be worthy for them. So you can also share. Anyone please want to join our meet session? You can join and share some thoughts. Or you can Rudresh, you can ask your question in the chat section.
Okay, guys, if you have any doubts regarding this,
And please
this was the
must
first
go
question.
for this 404 society. We are going to buy this domain also. We have talked to our HOD. They have told about that things. And this is our page of 404 society.
Okay, this is actually Aditya, I'll just add it on. Okay, so guys, whatever you're seeing is the 404 Studios page. This is just a collaborative page where we are looking for the collaborators. Then afterwards, soon after this, we are gonna just have one more website which is under the creation, where that is gonna be the 404 Society's official page. You can have will it is gonna be live in next 1.5 week or 2 weeks. So that domain that web page will be live. Then afterwards, we'll soon have whenever we have the developers community, that is which we are going to build it from the 404 studios. We are definitely going to have the that's website also. That will also be uh, okay. That is also going to be in most probably in the next 3 weeks. We are going to get it done. And in while that it is there, you can ask any questions, any sessions you want, like that. So
Bhuvan, there is
anyways, we are going
question
to
related to your field. See what Tara is
yes.
asking. This is the
Okay.
question from your field. What you want to answer that things.
Okay. Just give me a second. I'll just open the chat section.
Not in the chat, it's in the Google Meet.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can I can
Okay.
pronounce it. Wait.
Okay, with AI designing interface now, then what will be the future role of UI UX
Yeah,
designers?
that's a
Yes,
fantastic question. What we want to
yes,
answer
yes.
it. It is related to
Yeah,
your field.
yeah, yeah. Rudresh, just please wait. I'll just answer this question and we'll get back to you. The thing is, you know about the Google snitch, which launched about many months ago. So whenever the Google snitch had just dropped into that field, we were like, okay, the UI UX designing career isn't okay, it's gonna go down. It was thought like that. But the main thing in designing is your mind, your brain, which is you are gonna put it. See, UI it stands for user interface. Everywhere in this is the design thing. So AI cannot be a good designer. What is more creative than AI is your mindset. So how you are gonna build? Your mind is more creative than AI. So whenever Google Snitch launched, so many people thought it would take the job roles of the UI UX designers. I also heard it. But right now, you see, Google Snitch is almost, it's like, we can say, okay, ये गायब हो चुका है from this part. So we cannot see it. Like that it has become.
And
And
one more thing I want to add. I am hearing that AI is replacing job, the recessions from last 5 years, and still AI is not able to do that things. See, only AI can do repetitive tasks, and it is for your use. See, now I have given example of computer, similar with the calculator. You are using calculator in your exam. some of the people making a hype now calculator become super thing, everything will be done by calculator, but it also needs some logics behind calculator can do something everything, but it must be also known to you how to use it, what are the things you can calculate is several things. You know, to add 2 plus 2, it's a basic thing everybody know, but what will happen 2 lakh 5 lakh, there is so many thousands of calculation, you know the basics, but calculator will give you the speed accuracy, so you can focus on your logics, not on the repetitive part. This is the same thing AI are going to do.
Yes, yes, yes. So whenever you think UI UX designer's job is gonna be on stake, don't worry. Human minds is more creative than any AI. So just try start using AI as your collaborator in your design work, and then you will see the difference in yourself. So you'll stand out from rest of the designers. That is what I wanted to tell you. And Rudrish, if you have any doubt, please speak
Yeah,
it
to
out.
this, yeah, you are raising your hands and also commented something. Please raise your hand and ask something if you want to as well.
Hey everyone, my name is Rudresh, and I have a simple doubt on the basis of which have been collaborative works right now in 404 society.
Yes.
Um, is there in this community we are working on as like collaborative works? We have been seeing that कि जो हम लोग के साथ है हम उनके साथ वर्क कर रहे हैं और उनके साथ उनके वर्क में प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, हमारे वर्क में वो प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हैं, ये ठीक बात है, ओके,
Yes. Yes.
ये अप्रिशिएटेबल है। और और यहाँ पर एक बात मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि अगर आप एक कंपनी रन कर रहे हो, ओके, अगर एक कंपनी रन कर रहे हो उसमें मीन्स आप सीईओ और आपके अंडर कुछ मेंबर्स है, स्टेक होल्डर्स है, तो उनको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज तो है हो गई, ओके।
Yes.
हाँ, इन दैट केस if there any misunderstanding would be happen, how could CEO should manage this thing like as cooperatively on everything basis, because here CEO is the main role he wanted to create now.
Okay.
uh,
Wait. I'll just answer this question.
wait
The
wait
thing
wait wait
is, yeah.
one second, let me complete my question, my doubts on this point. uh, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है ना, क्योंकि मैं पर्टिकुलरली बस हमारे 404 के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ, ये पहला पॉइंट है। और दूसरा, मुझे ये पॉइंट्स कुछ क्लैरिफाई होना है, क्योंकि अगले अगले साल मैं कंपनी शुरू करने जाऊँगा, तो मुझे भी समझ में आना चाहिए क्योंकि क्या मिस्टेक मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए। और एक पॉइंट होना है कि मुझे टेक्निकल्स में कैसे मेरे कंपनी को ऊपर उठाना है। और इसमें इस सब के लिए एक चीज़ हमें चाहिए, वो है टीम वर्क, वो तो हमारे साथ है, ओके।
Yes.
हाँ, फिर इस बात पे हम लोग टेक्निकली कैसे आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, क्योंकि एक ही बात लेकर घूमने से कुछ नहीं होता है ना। We want to improvise ourselves and we need to actually go on forward for everything. अगर आगे ही नहीं आएँगे, तो कुछ भी उखाड़ भी नहीं सकते इस पे,
या बिल्कुल
है
बिल्कुल
ना?
बिल्कुल
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was my point that कि if हम कुछ रोल निभा रहे हैं, अगर हम उसको निभा ना पाए, उसको एज ए सीईओ, एज ए कंपनी ओनर और एज ए एम्प्लॉय इन दैट और स्टेक होल्डर्स, हाउ कैन वी रिलेट टू टेक रिलेटेड, और हाँ, कैसे हम टेक्निकली इसको ठीक कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए कुछ ऑल्टरनेटिव्स कुछ ले सकते हैं क्या? मीन्स आज के ज़माने में तो कुछ इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, सबको मालूम ही है। दिस
Okay.
वाज माय
So,
पॉइंट।
okay, you were asking the question. Okay, right now in team, any one person is not doing proper or something
नॉट
like that.
नॉट नो 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 नो, माय पॉइंट वाज नॉट लाइक दैट। अगर अगर आप लोग एक टीम पे काम कर रहे हो, एक
Hmm.
प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, तुम
Oh,
तुम उस टीम के टीम हेड हो।
okay.
अगर आपके प्रोजेक्ट में कुछ बग्स आए और उस बग्स के लिए कोई पर्सन और दूसरे पर्सन पे डिपेंडेंट है वो, वो अगर कर नहीं पाए उसके लिए ऑल्टरनेटिव्स कुछ है टेक्निकल रिलेटेड, वो पूछ रहा हूँ मैं।
ओके, सो इट्स कंप्लीटली हो गया, यू आर आस्किंग हो गया। अगर हमारे टीम में हम एक प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रहे हैं एंड वी डेफिनेटली वर्किंग ऑन अ प्रोजेक्ट, अगर उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आए जिसको हम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए एंड वी हैव टू डिपेंड ऑन अदर पर्सन हु इज आउटसाइड दिस थिंग टू गेट इट डन, राइट? दैट इज द मेन क्वेश्चन विच यू आर आस्किंग।
अदर पर्सन पे नहीं है, बस टेक्निकली कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव है क्या? मीन्स
ओके,
आप
Actually,
टेक्निकली
I want to
ऑल्टरनेटिव
add
योर
one more
क्वेश्चन,
thing. Here the unique of comes just like you did. In our company, if some work is stuck due to some of the members, this is that is the reason we have created this society. Let's Rudresh is not doing a work. Just for example, I'm not telling actual one is not working. There is so many members who are also knowing UI UX. There is a member who are knowing backend. We can assign the work to them. Let in the case if they are also not doing, then there we have a blessed in the era of AI. We can learn. This platform is not to be perfect. Okay, I know we all are not perfect. It might be some maybe perfect. We are here to learn. Just like we are making a company, I'm also making a website. It is not working. Will try to learn. I will share with the Bhuvan, Rudresh, anything. If they are okay with that, they will help us to know. If we are not, then internet is open to us. Everything will be happen on the internet if you are in the right way, using right way in the AI agents, everything. They will help everything. What I prefer, and this is the answer that I can give it to you.
the thing is, moreover, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? See, the main point is whenever we have built a platform like this, you're not only the person who is gonna be a designer, or not only the person who is gonna just you are only the front end developer in this. So you have so many other people who is also working on the same domain. अगर आपके टीम में अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स या फिर बग्स आया एंड यू couldn't solve it, द मेन थिंग इज यू आर ओपन फॉर कोलैबोरेशन। तुम लोग उनके साथ कोलैब कर सकते हो जिनको ये सॉल्व करना आ सकता है, वायर यू कैन लर्न फ्रॉम देम एंड ऑल्सो that would create like, okay, see, first of all we have to have a learning mindset। कहाँ पे भी हो, we have to learn। it's not like okay हमको क्यों सीखना है इनसे, ऐसा नहीं है। we have to keep our mindset, okay I have to learn। every day is a learning process। so जब भी हम ऐसा करता है ना, so it will be open for the opportunities। जब भी कोई बंदा आके हमारे साथ collaborate करके projects करेगा, it will be good। And whenever we have any doubts, whenever we have any bugs which we couldn't solve, that guy solved, we have a lot of things to learn from him। And whenever you're thinking from a CEO perspective, as you told, okay, so is it good like this? Yeah, of course, see, one of the major thing why the company stands is due to their employees। that is one main thing। and if employees have a very good teamwork within them and a very good collaboration within them, then that is more than required। See, we have that teamwork and collaboration will set an environment where people will talk with each other, they have a fun sessions, they'll have very good engagements and all। So this collaboration wouldn't affect, and this wouldn't affect in any things like, okay, it is changing something, it's not doing something, nothing like that। Yeah, in fact, it's creating a very good environment in itself। So from CEO's perspective, it's not going to affect company anything, but instead it's going to boost the company's team works, collaborative works, where people will be more eager to learn, work together। That is the main thing। I hope, Rudresh, your doubt has been solved।
yeah, I clarified. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Aditya.
Yeah, thank you. Can ask anything.
Yeah.
And one more thing, we are going to collab with so many students who are doing excellent. Some of our friends has
Mhm.
also do something amazing. See, I am living in a room where four members except me, three of them get placed in top companies where in our college there is placement session. I will also tell us to collab them and share their feedbacks, everything to us so we can also learn from them. Okay. We will making,
Oh,
and any of you have some of the friends, please tell them if they want to, they can simply share. And do one thing, go to LinkedIn and find some of the student who can collab with us or they can share their ideas. I'm also trying to get in contact with some of the SIH winner. What are their idea, what are their strategy, who are their guide, how they reach to that level. We have to do something. And what about some of our friends are talking about Deepak? Deepak, you want to tell something? Deepak, our viewer wants something from your side. See, our friends are waiting for Deepak. If something, tell Deepak. Deepak, please.
Uh,
Actually, I think this is the first session, and there is some problem at Deepak's side. Deepak cracked 8 LPA. Yeah, we'll collab. One of our friends, see, Deepak, he has cracked 8 LPA in a top company that is Infosys as well. Deepak
so
ji.
we have people like this. So we can collaborate. So we are also looking for open collaborations. We are gonna, okay, we have so many founders also. So I also have one of my brother who is a founder of Optin Solutions. So soon we are gonna get them into this. We are gonna have their insights on this. How is college life different to company's life? What is college teaching and what is company expecting? So is there any huge gap between that? We're gonna see that. So we are gonna have in future very good sessions on this where we are gonna get founders also. We're gonna talk with us, and you can also have the opportunity to talk with them, and you can have the opportunity to also, if you have a good communication, good things and all, you can definitely have a very good first impression on that founder's mind.
And I want to add some more thing. If you think, Bhaiya, you told this is platform is for everyone, then why you are talking about only successful people who are getting jobs? See, let me clear it. We love the people's failure better than its success. If it you are a failure, you have done something, you have given time to some of the jobs, anything, and you get failure, that doesn't worry. Okay, I am a part of the failure, and I am here with you. This is the platform for everyone. If you have get something, let's discuss how you get. If you have not get something, get failed, also share. You will get learn something. Okay, it's not about I have done something only you are able to speak. Everyone, please, you if you have did something, failed, success, that not matter. Just come, share, tell ideas. If you have some idea, implement in our website. You have some project, please share it to us. Okay, everything. This is open for everyone. Not we will not judging everyone how they know how everyone know everything.
Once the founder was also, he also had seen many failures. That is the thing. Even I too have seen many failures. Okay, for me, what was the failure? It was like, okay, as being a student, you would apply for internships, getting rejected. That is the main thing. So I have applied for more than 100 plus internships. I've got rejected 90 plus times. Then see, I'm also a failure who's sitting. But you have to learn from the failure. That is the main point. If you start learning from the failure and if you start seeing, okay, what was the mistake I did, you'll definitely see yourself growing. And try not to compare yourself with others. Try to compare yourself with yourself. It's like, आज मैंने इतना काम किया है. I've worked on myself for this much. कल मुझे उससे ज़्यादा करना है. So tomorrow I have to get better than myself, what I was yesterday. So try to compare yourself with yourself only. So that time you will see the growth. Whenever you start comparing with others, only the thing you get is jealous. That is the only point.
And also you
And
get frustrated from that things.
yes, so try to be, it is like only it's me versus me. That is the only point. So try to get that in your mindset first. Whenever you start working, it's me versus me. I'm gonna get it done. Today I'm doing this. Tomorrow I'm gonna be better than this. That is the whole point.
And
And
I want to
whenever,
add one more things in this.
yes, yes.
And don't think like, hey, one student is winning some SIH, leave it. I have to live in myself. That's not the thing you have to interpret like that. If there is something good happening, then you have to see that things and copy from that. Only negative things you have to avoid and be limit in yourself. If there is something It might be just like I'm in the 7th sem, 5th sem, and a student who is in the first sem doing something crazy. Just you have to go ask. It does not about your respect everything. If something is going happen, education has no respect level everything. You can have to go ask. I have some of the student in the LinkedIn who are in the first sem and doing something crazy. I go them ask bro how you have done this everything and get some of the knowledge. You have to also keep in mind about that things also.
Yes, yes. So I hope everyone's doubt has been cleared, and this was a very much good, engaging session.
I will
I
share
can
all the
just
links with you, and we're going to make some of the Telegram, Discord, every section. And what are your demands on the just like I bro? I want to do everything. I want cloud computing roadmap, AWS, everything. We will going to do that. Okay.
yeah,
And some of you also, if you have something, please come join us. We'll make a video with us. Everything. What next? Any doubt?
open
Please.
for you guys.
Chat is open to you all. We are eager to answer. Deepak, one of our colleagues, Shubham is behind Deepak. Please, Deepak, where is Deepak? He's not there, Subham. We will make him.
I wanted to say that if our members can give a intro on what they are doing and what are different fields they are working currently on, such that we can connect them in a more better way.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
sure. We are also going to make a group or a studio for that.
dedicated.
Dedicated. One will explain elaborate.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys. So whenever you want to, as you told, you wanted to connect with the people according to your domain and all. Yeah, definitely. So we are gonna make a dedicated video in the just upcoming week. So where we are gonna introduce you to all the people's role, what they are doing, and how you can collaborate, how you can join the community. If you're outside our college, how you can join to this community, how you can be a part of it, and if you have any ideas, projects, how you can work together. We are
And,
gonna make a dedicated
and
video.
we are also making a list of our collaborators. Just like there will be a page where you can see Pulkit Raj, all their projects, portfolio, everything. You can see now where we go to website, you can see there is a speaker, everything. We are making 404 Society a special section where all of our collaborator will come. They have their own unique card, their portfolio website to what they have done and what are the present skills they are going. Okay, we are going to make their things and you also help in the making process also. Pulkit,
Yes,
may I clear your doubt
yes,
or
Yes,
something?
bro, you are very clear, and let's hope we get that
Yeah,
thing
yeah, yeah. We
from this
will
session.
definitely do something crazy. And you can ask your friend, Illas, everything. Whoever want to join our community, we want to expand it. Okay.
Okay, okay. I can have a word to our friends who
Yeah,
are
yeah,
listening
yeah.
yes,
this.
yes, sure, sure.
Any doubts, please ask anyone, one, or you can ask some doubts from our. You can also take some of the doubt sections. I am going
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah,
see
sure,
you.
sure, sure.
And I have also some of the specialized sections, just like see, one is good in UIX. I am good in something other thing. We also have some of the dedicated things we are doing. We will share it later. Just to full kit. How many? I think you are new to full kit, but I know he's my old school friend from class 4. And I told him to please before starting and joining up this society, I told him to do something, and I will show you what he is doing. Wait. See, he is good in computer networks and everything. Okay, he is
Okay,
good in
great.
computer networks and everything. And for that, he is running his channel Learn CS and Software. If you are interested in that, you can also learn from there. Okay, see, and literally not as a from friend's point of view, literally I have watched this video and it is super video. He started. There might be some of the communication like everything. You can go and please ask anything specialized in just like backend, CN networks, everything. Similar to that, one is going to also open UI UX dedicated channel, his own channel. This is a community where we can collab, but specialization things you can get in their own channel. Okay, these are the things. And one will you share your everything just like LinkedIn, everything, every member so they can connect everywhere. And we're going to make a Discord and Telegram community.
Yeah, sure, 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 sure.
We will
I
going to
will
do.
definitely share my LinkedIn links.
See, this is my friend's channel, the Fulikit, one of the our collaborator. He doing some of the things in the this field, computer networks. You can go and join this. And apart from that, I also told I have running also a channel that is we are going to refactors life. We are making how to do anything. See, I'm also doing some of the things. You can also join us here. This is something that I know. This platform is for us. We are also doing some of the content, but this is my personal point of view. There might be 100% have 100 of points of view. They have their own things. I also told all of you to please share the knowledge, because you have to share something. This is my channel. You can join there if you think something happening. I have started it 5 months later, and I will be regular. And apart from that, I will giving some of the short things, just like how to do AWS. Literally, I am learning AWS, so I am showing some of the video on that. You can go and check Refactors Live on the YouTube. Refactors Live for basically for AI and some of the projects how to do and everything. And one of my friend, I told you na, he's good in computer networks. You can join his channel, learn CS and software. He will continue some of the videos later. Okay, I will share the link. And apart from that, we have 404 Society, and Bhuvan will also give the links of some of the personal UI UX related business digital marketing everything. Bhuvan will continue.
Yes, yes, yes.
Eh, there
Guys,
is
so
there is some of the chats left. Reason behind start 404 society. Actually, we have already done ना. भुवन ने आप लोग को बताया
yes,
था कि मतलब what about 404 society? Basically, it's a platform for us where you as a creator can join. It does not matter if you are a done some great project or you have started. Just we will share our thoughts. See, it is a two-way communication. You can also join us. We can join us and share everything. Okay. And some question is refactors for live, bhaiya. Okay, your channel. What Bhuvan, you can elaborate. Shubham is asking, what is the meaning of 404?
yes, 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 yes. So, guys, so this should be the major question actually. So, I wanted to answer. I
Yeah,
thought
the major
people would
question is
ask
asked
this.
by a major collaborator. He's
Why is 404 is kept as our society's name or the community's name? Why 404? Yeah. So whenever we had taken this idea to our HOD also, so we had this question, why 404? So usually 404 means error not found. The page is not found. So usually the thing is, whenever we are in the college, we are like the errors. Okay. So what I wanted to depict from the community is that 404 stands for not only the error. It's like you're not suiting for this community, this society, or you're not getting with these people. You're trying to do something different. That is what I wanted to depict. It's like a error which where you're gonna learn. See, usually 404 as a, okay, it's the error, and something like that. But here 404 error is not just an error. Okay, it usually tells that you're not following this usual path. You're just coming out from it. You're trying to be different from others. That is the main thing that we wanted to depict. That is why we have chosen the name as the 404 Society. Actually, it's not 404 Society, guys. It's the 404 Society. Yes. So I think everyone might have got clear. So I think it should this was to be the first question. Should we? I think it should have been asked earlier, but it was late. Who was this
uh,
question actually? Shubham.
Shubham, I ask.
Yes,
And
yes.
one more thing. See, just you have to start. Don't worry about output. Okay. I have no knowledge. You can see. You have if you have started, you will achieve your manzils. This thing.
Yeah,
There
the
is
thing
a
is
quote in
consistency
Hindi.
is the
There
key.
is quote in Hindi. चलना शुरू करो या तो मंजिल मिलेगा या तो एक अच्छा मुसाफिर बन जाओगे.
Yes, yes, yes. That's a very good thing. The thing is consistency, guys. Consistency over everything. तुम लोग जितना कंसिस्टेंट रहोगे उतना ही है. अगर तुमने आज 10% का वर्क किया, दूसरा दिन 20%, तीसरा दिन 5%, that is also consistency. But what is not consistency is you're doing 10% today and day after tomorrow you're doing 40%. That is not consistency. See, small or big, you have to do that work that day. So consistency is the main thing that matters everywhere. See, the famous quote was there. It was like hard work would might get you success or not, but consistency would definitely get you the success. So try to be consistent whenever you're doing some work,
And
and try to be loyal and just do your work. That is the thing.
And one more thing, I will show you the demo of consistently. 5 months ago, I have no idea how to start this thing. You can see now. You can tell how I'm good at communicating in this platform. I have no even not know how to conduct a session, go YouTube live. Recently, we have planned this session to be yesterday, but due to some reason, we are unable to do that. There is so many things we have to learn everything. But after being consistent for 5 months, see, I have one milestone that I have to share with you. I have told you about my channel, and one more thing, it is going to achieve 1 lakh views recently because just to have reached 99. I have worked for 5 to 6 months continuously, and it is going to be 1 lakh views. And I am very poor, just like if you can see that, you can laugh at me. Yeah, what you are telling, it's a very basic videos, and communication level also it's lack of communication everything, but I have started. You can go and watch my first video and then see what is my last video of this month. Okay, you can see the quality, content, communication skills, sorry. Still I am lacking in that, and everything. Just you have to start, don't worry about anything. Who is here, we are friends, they will laugh, but what will happen if you will be at the national stage and some of the students are laughing, or of all audience are laughing, it will be a matter. We are 10 to 20 years, everything we can do. Okay, so please go and start something great. Okay, see, my friend Phone has started a good initiative, and you all have to support it. If you need something, you can do, we will collaborate and everything. Yeah,
And any doubts, guys? You have any
any
doubts?
doubt?
I hope everyone have got cleared, and the first live session was very good actually.
Anyone have any doubts? Oh, doubt section is yours, please ask anything. And if we have done some mistakes, sorry from our side because this is our
Yes.
first session.
So any problem in communication and all, just try to tell us. We're gonna improve in that. If any problem in the video quality or anything related to that, please inform us so that if you guys tell us, we are gonna make it proper and get back to you better next time.
And apart from that, if you are facing some problems in some of the project, you can also post in our community. We will see what is going on. Some of our friends are better in that thing, so we will do. And some specialization will be held on some personal channels. We will introduce also that things, just like one will do some better things. And I suggest all of you, please open your own personal channel also. It will give you communication skills, confidence, how to manage everything. Okay, Harsh have a question. Good. I have got so much knowledge from today's video. Sure has. And one more fact did you not about Harsh Raj? He's also one of my friends who gets selected in one of the top companies. We will make a video in later. See, here all the members who are there have good qualities and they are better in some of the fields. Okay. I will introduce you later, everyone from. Any doubt, please ask in the doubt section, just like in the chat
Yes, yes,
section.
yes.
Otherwise, we will bind up the session for 2 days. And please comment what should be the next session. We'll definitely mind your suggestion.
So I was telling, like, we can have some guests who have done something like internship.
Yeah, yeah, sure. In fact, I
Yeah,
am
sure.
talking one of senior who is working on the Amazon as the SD2. I have just recently get contact with them. I will also plan, and not me. You have also to get contact with LinkedIn. Recently, I told you now, go and search one of the who is SIH winner, who is anything, who is doing, just come with us and communicate. It might be basic things, but it will mind a lot for so many people. Just everyone, please, who are watching this video, go make connections with their LinkedIn and please try to come a session with them.
Okay, I think
One of the doubt is I am also dummy dex 7244. Please correct your name. It will be better for us. I am also one. His question is that I am also trying to get a job. Bhaiya, please focus on it. What do you want to tell him?
Focus on it. How I'm trying to get a job.
Yeah, yeah.
See, see, मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ना. See, don't try to get a job. Try to improve your skills first. Your
Yeah,
skills
yeah, job is
definitely
very
will
easy,
get away.
very easy to take a job.
या मैं क्या बोलता हूँ आप अपना स्किल्स पे फोकस कीजिए सो दैट whenever you're focusing on your skills and you're not gonna go behind jobs and all. It's like okay, आप क्या कर रहे हो? It's like you're gonna try to get jobs. You're having a minimum skill set. You're gonna go apply for so many jobs. You get rejected, you come back. But the thing what you have to do right now is focus on your skills. Build your skills, get it done, then start applying for the project. Start applying for the companies. Then soon you can see the results. But main thing is consistency. Please keep that in mind because consistency is over everything. Consistency is very much important. So try to be consistent while gaining new skills, while learning new skills. Try to apply it. Try to do it. Then see, you won't get go for jobs. You just apply it. You will see so many of the jobs. Like it will be like easy for you. You will only reject so many jobs when you have a better skills. Whenever you get the offer letters from so many companies. So try
And
to focus on
always
your
prefer
skills.
your time apart from job. Just like there is so many job, there is some job who is paying you 20,000 for 10 hours. Avoid that. Your
Yeah,
skill, your time will be priority for you. Okay. If you focus on that things, you will get better job in the future.
yeah. Try to prioritize yourself first because you know your value. So if you have the value and you know your worth that you can work for 45,000 per month, but you're getting underpaid, then it's of no value. So being a freelancer, I know my worth, how much I should charge per client, how much is my worth. Whenever they usually tell, okay, I want to go below this price, I would definitely say no. Okay. So try to prioritize yourself, try to know your value, try to know the worth you have. So think about that first.
Any doubt, please ask in the doubt section if you have any doubt.
Aditya, I think it's good we wind it up. I think we had a very good session today.
Yeah, we will. Anyone, please, I will share all the links with you after this session. You can join there, and we are going to do everything. Okay. And for reference, you can search my portfolio. And one,
Yes,
please, in the chat, you can share your also LinkedIn and portfolio for that.
yes, sure, sure.
You can go with adicoach.in. You can connect with me, and one, you can also share it there. I think this is the best session we have started. We will make some more videos
Yes,
on this.
really.
Thank you all of you for being there. Okay. Thank you, Rudresh. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you, Damidak. Thank you, Hars. Thank you, Sub.
Thank you
Thank you,
guys. Thank you so much
Teresa.
for being in the meet and also
Thank
in the
you,
chat.
Pramath Hegre. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Dev. Thank you, Shubhra Gaming, everyone. We'll meet in the next videos. Thank you, thank you. Be connected, stay safe.
Have a good
So
time, guys.
Thank you, Pulkit, for joining us.
thank you guys
Thank you, Tara. Thank you, Rudresh, everyone.
for introducing me to this society, and uh, let's have some more guys
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
upcoming
And be
days.
consistent to your channel. Okay. Some of our viewers are very consistent to watch your videos.
Okay, thank you Aditya for just advertising my channel. I
Yeah.
just
You have a quality content. It's not an advertisement. I really
so
appreciate your work.
basically I put system design
Yeah, yeah.
videos
Whatever
that
you
I
know.
learn. What I learn, I just put there. That's
That should be.
not something like you. I am some expert of that field, but you can have some initial knowledge, and based on that, you can practice and implement to get better in that system design.
Yeah, of
That
course.
that should be the pathway for that thing success. I'm also doing nothing. Whatever I am doing, I am just posting what I am doing. And also it not just like I am doing something in AWS. I let him make a shorts and post it on. So a student can see the student at my age is doing AWS. He can know AWS is a thing. He can research there on and they can comment. But yeah, we need a dedicated video in AWS. Then we will think and we will do everything. Or we can suggest some of the videos of the creator that I am watching. That's the way. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, guys. Thank you so much for joining the stream.
Thank you, Bhuvan, to inviting us.
Thank you so much, Aditya. It was well hosted.
Thank you, Pulkit.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
brother.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thank you. Bye
bye.
bye, everyone. Thank you for joining, everyone. Guys, please just go and search for the 404 Society. It is here, okay? I will share all the links and everything. And this is our 404 studio. You can go and search everything. I will tag everyone. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Please comment down what are the next thing that you want, okay?